If you're like most creatives, the word sales makes you cringe a little. You don't want to be pushy. You just want to help people and do great work. Here's the good news. Sales doesn't have to feel like pressure. In fact, the best sales conversations don't feel like sales at all. They feel like clarity, confidence, and connection. In this lesson, I'll show you how to close more clients by simply being yourself, with a few powerful strategies that turn curious leads into confident yeses. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Sales is not about convincing. It's about matching a solution to a need. You're not begging for work. You're offering real help, and if the fit is right, people are grateful to pay for that. Start your calls from this mindset. How can I serve this person today, even if they don't hire me? That takes all the pressure off. Step 2. Use the discovery call to diagnose, not pitch. Your goal in a sales call is to listen more than you speak. Ask questions like, what's working with your website right now? What's frustrating or holding you back? What would a great result look like for you? Take notes, reflect their words back to them, let them feel heard. When you do speak, share how you'd approach the project and why that matters. No jargon, no big promises, just a clear, grounded recommendation. Step 3. Price with confidence. When you get to the money part, be direct, but calm. Say something like, based on what we talked about, I recommend solution. My fee for that is X. If that works for you, I can send over the proposal today. Don't over-explain. Don't rush to discount. Say it, then pause. Let them process. Silence is your friend. If they hesitate, ask, what questions come up for you? Or, does that sound like what you were hoping for? This invites conversation, not pressure. Step 4. Handle objections with curiosity. If they say, that's more than I expected, don't get defensive. Say, totally understand. What kind of budget were you thinking? If it's a fit, you can adjust scope. If not, offer a smaller first step, like a paid audit. The key is to stay in a problem-solving mindset, not a convince them mode. Step 5. Always lead with next steps. Even if they're not ready to say yes today, guide the conversation forward. Say, no rush on your decision. I'll follow up on day if I haven't heard from you, and I'm happy to answer any questions between now and then. People remember clarity. They respect leadership. Your calm confidence is what helps them say yes. Sales isn't about tricks, it's about trust. When you bring presence, clarity, and real care to your conversations, clients feel it, and they respond. In the next lesson, we'll talk about how to deliver a standout client experience that turns one-time projects into long-term partnerships and referrals. You've got this.